Let's check out the two compatible apps for Cube, one of the Owlet Elementary Math Tools by BirdBrain Technologies. Cube3 has categories of 1, tens, hundreds, money, hundredths, or thousandths. And the 1 categories has 2 modes of learning, explore and make, while the other categories of Cube3 have activity modes of explore, make, build, round, and compare that randomly generate problems for students to solve. The ones mode allows students to explore building numbers in the ones column. Explore mode generates problems that students try to create using the sensor-enabled tower. Make mode generates a target number which students tried to create by placing cubes on the tracks. Build mode also has students compose larger numbers with other constraints. Compare is where students create a number and then compare it to another number. The round mode has students rounding numbers to a specific place value. Cube6 is a clone of Cube3, but uses 2 sensor-enabled towers to provide even more learning with digits and includes categories of thousands, money, and decimals. Each of the categories includes explore, make, build, compare, and round. Both Cube3 and Cube6 collect student data as they work, and at the end of the learning period, you can collect information for future learning. See the description for more information and videos on Cube, one of the Owlet Elementary Math Tools by BirdBrain Technologies.